Hey everyone, it's Chad with round two. Coming back for another video. It's February, so Valentine's Day, I guess. So maybe, I don't know, we can talk our loved ones into buying us some die-cast. But we got a lot of cool stuff this month. There's a Johnny Lightning release with some newly tooled accessories. That's new. There's a couple new themes with Johnny Lightning. Auto World 164th hobby exclusive car we're going to be showing. Auto World larger scale 118. There's an Auto World slot car release coming out. And 5 new model kits from AMT and MPC. So a lot of cool stuff. We'll jump right into 164th first. So let's get into it. All right, so first off for 164th, show you guys this is the new Auto World hobby exclusive that we've got. So this is the 1972 Dodge Challenger. We've got 2 variations of this. Here it is in that great looking Dover white, and version B, Hemi orange. And then we got a lot of stuff for Johnny Lightning, so we'll jump right into those. First off, this is the next release of the Johnny Lightning 2-pack, so 2 new themes for this one. This theme is barn finds, so what's cool about this, those who watch the videos may remember we did, actually this is Mike Hill's Plymouth Superbird here. We did this car in a 1/18 scale. This is an actual barn find car. It used to be an actual drag racer. And the second car in the 2-pack, that is what the car originally looked like in its factory color when it came from all the way back in 1970. So, second one, this should be a very popular one too. This is the Yenko 2-pack. So we got in this the 1969 Chevy Camaro Yenko and the 1970 Chevy Nova Yenko. Great looking blue and silver colors for those. They've got the Yenko stripes and everything on them. So that should be another really cool stuff. Release. Also, we got this next set of Muscle Cars USA coming. So this is new Johnny Lightning. There's 2 new themes in this one. So we'll go through those first. This first theme is Cars and Coffee that we've done based on the famous Cars and Coffee meets from all around the world. People come in, get some coffee, show off their cars. So first one here, this is the Gulf Edition 1965 Shelby Cobra 427. This should be a pretty hot one. Looks great in that Gulf. Blue and orange. And the version B is also Gulf, kind of a darker blue with some white in it there. And next up with the Cars and Coffee, this is the 1984 Olds Cutlass. Here it is in this great medium gray poly color. And the second version in black here, with that gray top on it. Third in Cars and Coffee right here, the 1959 Chevy Impala in red. And version B in white, red interior and red accents. The next theme, we are carrying barn finds into this release, so you can get single barn find cars too. So what's cool about these cars are dusty, they look dirty, they look like they were just found in a barn. We've got the 1966 Ford Fairlane GT there. You can see kind of some of the faded paint on it, some of that dusty look. There's the version B in red here. Dusty wheels and tires. And second in the barn finds, it's 1970 Olds Coronet Super B. Got that mismatched fender. Again, dusty wheels. Looks worn in. There it is in the orange with the white top. And last off, this is my personal favorite in this release. This is the 1970 Buick GS. So this first version is kind of in that flat black, looks primered. It's got no hood on it there and a lot of great engine detail. Looks awesome. This one is the 1970 Buick GS. It's got that green with some rust on it and primer. And actually, if you get this one, you pop the hood. There is no hood inside it, or there's no engine inside it. I'm sorry. So it's kind of like a barn find. You pick up a rolling shell. A lot of cool stuff with that one. Next, this is a release we're really excited about. This is the Johnny Lightning truck and trailer. So you guys have probably seen some of this if you follow us on Facebook. What's cool about this, we've got this new trailer tooling. It's in a true 1/64 scale, so it can be used in any of our lines. What's cool about that, it's got these loading ramps. You can store the ramps underneath. It hooks up to our existing Johnny Lightning hitches. So this is the version A. This is the 1996 Dodge Ram with that flat car trailer on it. Version B, a Dodge Ram in white. You can see the trailer's got that diamond plate steel look on the top. Next in the release, this also, this is a new tool for this camper shell that we've got. It goes onto the bed-mounted camper there, so that can actually be utilized on a few different Johnny Lightning trucks. First time that's been seen, along with this newly tooled trailer in black. Second version for that, this one's my favorite, in gray. It's got those great camper decals on the side of it there. And same thing, black trailer. And lastly, this is the 2000 Ford F-250. We've got it in that like olive drab army green color with that matching flatbed trailer. So great for you collectors with army stuff. You can put a Willys Jeep, put whatever you want on the trailer. They'll look great together. And the next version is this bright red, the red trailer with the black top on it there. So that's everything for 164th. A lot of cool stuff. There's still a lot more coming for that. Next, we're going to jump in. I'll show you guys our newest slot car release. Okay, so slot car release. We got a cool set to show you guys. This is our newest X-Traction Ultra G release for Auto World, sticking in the small scale here. So this is the 1969 Chevy Camaro SS in silver. This black vinyl top, white letter tires. Great looking slot car for that one. The second one in it, this is the 2016 Ford Mustang GT. Great looking red color with that those black wheels. And some of you guys have watched this may remember some of these. These are a variation of the two Baja Broncos we did for our slot car set. We did a bit of a color swap on them. A lot of you guys were asking about getting them available separately. So there's the Auto World Baja Bronco and the Johnny Lightning Baja Bronco. So the cool stuff about this, for those who'd seen the set, these hadn't been out in quite a while, and there's a lot of added detail to them, a lot of cool stuff that we hadn't seen on this casting yet. So that's everything for slot cars. I'll show you guys the large scale die cast. Alright, so first up in Auto World for the large scale stuff, this is the 1968 AMC AMX. So this is part of our class of 1968 series we're doing. Cool thing about this, it's in this great looking blue color with that red interior, red stripes, and red line tires. And this is one of our kind of 2-in-1s here, because you get an exclusive Johnny Lightning 1/64 scale with it as well, matching car, so you can't get that Johnny Lightning anywhere else. Part of this this exclusive pack. So like all of our stuff, it's got opening doors and hood, detailed engine, the steerable front wheels, and just a lot of cool detail put into it. So, and then this next one, I'm really excited to show you guys. This is the release of our Ghostbusters Ecto-1, the 1959 Cadillac ambulance. So, what's cool about this tool has been, we completely went through all the artwork for this. Our designers went through the movie frame by frame, redid all the painting, did a ton of detailing on the inside of the car, where the computer screens are, cool stuff like that. The whole top of the roof has been done as close to movie accurate as possible. A lot of work went into this one, and it turned out great. It's very cool. I'm definitely gonna have to pick one up for myself. And a cool little bonus that comes with this one, we've included the translucent green Slimer figure as well. So that's a fun little piece for you for your display there. So this should be a really hot seller. We're really excited about it. Hopefully you guys will love it too. That's everything we got for diecast and slot cars. Next I'll jump in, I'll show you guys model kits. Alright, so for model kits, we got a lot of cool stuff. First off, we're going to start with this AMT, the 58 Edsel Pacer. So what's cool about this is the 50 years of Edsel. So great looking car, 1/25th scale here. There's some other options. The full Continental kit is included in it. You can paint it a few different ways. There's a couple other things too. We got fender skirts, the 361 cubic inch V8 engine. A lot of cool stuff with that. It should be a great classic car kit for you guys. Next up is the AMT 1966 Ford Fairlane GT/GTA. So what's cool about this is made with modern tooling here. It's got 2-in-1 pad printed tires. We went through and expanded the decal sheet on it, kept that vintage style packaging, and you can see some of the other optional goodies here. Build it as the GT or the GTA. Optional transmission, shifters, badges, all the stuff you need to build it in whichever style you want to do it. and a lot of other cool pieces shown through there as well. Next up, this one is this is another cool car kit. It's the 1986 Chevy El Camino SS, and we've included as a special bonus this this mini trail bike with it too. So what's cool about this? Not only can you build this build the El Camino in a lot of different ways. We got hood scoops, optional tonneau covered, truck beds, all these chrome parts to it. That trail bike is included, so you can build it, actually put it in the bed, or there's a carrier if you want to attach it to the back. So there's a lot of cool stuff with this, and we're really excited to see how the builds are with this kit. Also, something a little different. This is our MPC, the Mountain Goat Jeep Commando. This is one of my personal favorites to have come out in quite a while. This is molded in a pearl blue. The cool thing about this, there's 3 different wheel options. There's 2 different tire options. You can do big off-road knobby tires on it. The decal sheet's been expanded. We've added some more striping, some more cool stuff to it. And it can be built in a variety of different ways. So you can actually build it with the top down like this. You can build it with the top up on here, top down like it was on the front. Your detailed engine, roll cage suspension, a lot of cool stuff with this kit. Also excited to see what gets built out of that one. And lastly, for AMT, this is the Polyglas Gasser II. This is the 1969 Pontiac Catalina kit. So this has 4 bonus pad printed custom tires, the wide tread Polyglas tires, of course. Vintage style packaging, and you can build it 2 different ways, a street and custom. I believe that there were 2 separate kits before that had been put together into one, so you had a lot of different options for a 2-in-1 kit on this one. So this should be another cool one. It's been one that a lot of guys have been asking us for, so I'm excited to put that one back out too. That's everything we've got for February. As I said, there's always a lot of cool stuff coming in. Keep track of us on round2corp.com. You can go to our Facebook pages. I'll put the links to those below. Thanks again, guys. Have a happy Valentine's Day, and we'll see you in March.